Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from 5 group. We will explain about manner of articulation. Presented by Richa Fatimatu Zahra, Aida Nur Ita, and Siti Melinka Cahya. Manner of articulation. Definition: manner of articulation. Manner of articulation describe how the tongue, lips, jaw, and speech organ are involved in making a sound connected. The manner of articulation is the way the air stream is affected as it flows from the lungs and down. Kind of manner of articulation, they are: first, nasal. Nasal is one in which the airflow through the mouth is completely blocked, but the volume is lowered, forcing the air through the nose. There are 3 nasal consonants. First is Example: mat, clam. Oral passage blocked by closing the lips. In the second is un. Example: no, man. Oral passage is blocked by pressing tongue tips against the alveolar ridge. In the last, Example: coin, fang. Oral passage is blocked by pressing the back of your tongue against the soft palate. And next is stop. Stop is if the active and passive articulators actually touch, stopping airflow through the oral cavity completely for a brief period. The sound articulated. Stop is produced by blocking the current or airway passing through the mouth and nose. The stop consonants are p. The example: purse, rap. Oral passage is blocked by closing the lips. B. Example: bag, cap. Oral passage is blocked by closing the lips. T. Example: tap, rat. Oral passage is blocked by pressing the tongue tips against the alveolar ridge. D. Example: deep, bad. Oral passage is blocked by pressing the tongue tips against the alveolar ridge. K. Example: kite. Block airflow with the back of tongue against the soft palate. G. Example: good. Bug. Block airflow with the back of the tongue against the soft palate. The next is affricative. Affricate is produced by sticking the leaf of the tongue against the hard roof of the mouth, against the upper teeth. The affricative consonants are ch. Example: carch. Ch. Example: church.
The next is liquid or lateral. Lateral is a type of pronounced approximant with the sides of the tongue. The center of the tongue is closely connected to the roof of the mouth, but the sides of the tongue are lowered, allowing air to escape along the side of the tongue. Lateral is produced by attaching the tongue leaf to the roof of the mouth. Lateral consonant is AL and roll consonant is R. So, to say "L", you have to put the tip of your tongue on the upper gums just behind your upper teeth. And then smile a little. And take out a little bit of your middle tongue and fill the space of your lips. Like this. "L". "L". The vocabulary example is like, lips, lips. While to pronounce "r", you have to put your tongue close to the ceiling but not to touch it. Give a little space above your tongue. Then make a sound similar to a tiger voice. "R", "r". The vocabulary example is river, river, and rib, rib, rib. The next is glide. A glide is a consonant characterized by a continued gliding motion of the articulator into the following vowel, also referred to as a semi-vowel. Glide type of approximants that are pronounced like vowels but with the tongue closer to the roof of the mouth, so that it becomes a thin vibration. The glide consonants are wah and yah. To pronounce wah, you have to make it sound as if you are saying you, and then release it as if you are saying a. Wah, wah. The vocabulary example is wine, wine, wall, wall. Then, for the yah pronunciation, you have to slightly emphasize the upper side teeth with your tongue. And then smile. Yah, yah. The vocabulary example is yes, yes, you, you. The last is fricative. During a production of a fricative, the active and passive articulators are brought close together, but not near enough to totally block the oral cavity. This close approximation of the articulators means the air coming from the lungs has to squeeze through a narrow gap at high speed, creating turbulence or local audible frictions, which is heard as hissing for voiceless fricative and buzzing for a voiced one. A fricative is a consonant produced by forcing the breath stream through a constriction formed by articulators in the vocal tract. Fricatives are produced by blowing air through a narrow space formed by the lips, teeth, and tongue. The fricatives are f, v, v, s, z, sh, sh, z, ha. To pronounce f and v, you have to pull out your teeth a little f. To pronounce f and v, you have to pull out your teeth a little as if biting your lower lip a little, but don't let you bite your lower lip. Give a little room for the whine. And is voiceless and is voiced. And the vocabulary example for is feel, feel, flag, flag. And the vocabulary example for is face, face, fail, fail. To say and you have to put your tongue behind your upper teeth, then say it and let the wine come out from between your tongue. And is voiceless and is voiced. For the pronunciation and you have to slightly raise your tongue and move it forward, but not to cover the palate. And The vocabulary example for are said, and size. While the vocabulary example for are zoom, and zone. For the pronunciation of sh and zh, you have to make lips like saying sha, but just hold on to the letter S and Y. Sh, and zh. Sh is a voiceless and zh is voiced. The example for sh are fish, and sheep. Then the example for zh is fission, and short. And the last one is ha. It's very easy to pronounce. You just need to open your mouth and let the wine out. Ha. Ha is voiceless. For the example are head, and heart. That is an explanation from us. Hopefully it will be useful for you, and thank you for watching.